ipagdasal nyo na lang ako.
Dati siyang naligaw ng landas, binansagang prodigal son at delinkwente. Mula sa pagkakadapa, unti-unti siyang bumangon. At ngayon sa kanyang pagbabalik, isang panibagong simula ang nais ng harapin. Please welcome, Bran Reb Berriesa.
Thank you, Jenny.
Wow, Reb.
Hi.
Kumusta ka na?
Mabuti. Ito, nakauwi na din after a year, a month, a week, and 1 day. Nakabalik na din nakaulit ng Pilipinas.
I must say, you're looking okay.
I'm in love with life. Dati nabulag ako. Hindi ko masyadong nakita. Medyo hazy because of the abuse that I did to my body.
You came from the States? Ano
Yes.
bang pinagagawa mo?
Hinahanap ko yung sarili ko. Medyo devastating yung nangyari sa akin siguro mga 3 years ago. Medyo talagang traumatic. Very, very traumatic.
Magkano tayo? Word association.
Yes.
I'll give you a word
Alright.
or a name.
Okay.
And you say what you want to say about
Okay.
it. Divina.
Nurture, mother.
Did you think that she really held your hand through this
Yes.
whole process?
Yes. Not only my mom, but all the immediate parts of my family. Our true friends stood by us, stood by me, held my hand and told me not to be ashamed and just try to move on. Drugs, poison.
Pero before you left, inamin mo that you were...
Yeah, lahat. I think I could call it Satan's candy.
This has been a pressing issue. Okay, because people have always wanted to know. People want to know gender.
Why is everybody so interested with my sex? I must so be good in bed, Janice. I must be so good in bed.
And everybody wants...
Yeah. Everybody wants a piece of information. I haven't decided yet.
You haven't decided yet?
I haven't decided.
Is it an issue?
No, it's not an issue. I don't think, I don't think it's an issue anymore.
Do you have regrets in your life?
Yes.
Regrets being?
I wasted 12 years of my life.
Doon sa 12 years na sinasabi mong winaste mo, saan mo siya winaste? Why do you say waste?
I wasted time. I gave my all for nothing. For a lie. And that's never gonna happen again.
What are you most thankful for now?
Nabuhay pa ako.
Okay.
Nabuhay pa ako sa dami ng mga balakid na aking tinahat.
What are your fears now?
My fears? I have none. Napagdaanan ko na yung mga fears na yun. Wala na akong kinakatakutan ngayon. Wala na.
Have you forgiven yourself?
Yes. I think that was the first step. Before I could have asked for forgiveness, I had to forgive myself.
There are things in life we question a lot, but little do we realize that answers come when we stop asking. And that's what we call faith. Kailangan natin yung faith sa lahat ng bagay. Thank you.
Thank you.